All right, we are on, what day are we on? Day 5, I think, of the Stuck in Texas saga. What's up, Silas? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you having fun in the snow? Snowing again in San Antonio. I know it doesn't look like a lot of snow, and it's not. Like if you're from the Northeast or from somewhere where they get a lot of snow. But when you're in a place like Southwest Texas, and they don't have a clue how to deal with it, not prepared, this little bit of ice and snow just completely cripples everybody. So roads become closed, stuff just really becomes impassable. So we're stuck here until it cleans up. Should be cleaned up by tomorrow. This should melt off this afternoon, and then we're looking at warmer weather tomorrow. We'll try to make it the other side of Houston, maybe get out of the Lone Star State once and for all. That'd be good. But for now, we're just taking a little morning stroll down this path right outside the KOA. Connects to this nice path. They have a no license required catch and release fish pond here, which is kind of cool. Fishing pond. Don't really want to go fishing today, but good. And that's about it. We're just enjoying the day, walking down the path. We'll check in with you guys again tomorrow, let you know if we made it out of here. Talk to you later.